And let's get to this video that's come to light from Andhra Pradesh of a YSRCP candidate slapping a voter. Why did this happen? Now, allegedly, this voter stopped the candidate, asking him why he jumped the queue, upon which the candidate actually goes ahead and slaps the voter. Then you see a scuffle breaking out where the voter also doesn't hesitate, gives it back to the candidate. He is currently the YSRCP MLA in Tenali, which is where the incident also happened. It's an assembly constituency. And also keep in mind that this man, Sivakumar, actually slapped the voter right outside the booth after he allegedly jumped the queue. The voter then doesn't stand by and take it. He slaps him back too, which is when supporters of this YSRCP MLA all gather and start assaulting the voter. This video has triggered a huge controversy in Andhra Pradesh. On a day when every candidate's fate is being decided by these very voters, you see this kind of high-handedness taking place in Andhra Pradesh. A YSRCP candidate going ahead and slapping a voter. And we understand that what led to actually this scuffle was, in fact, the voter objecting to the candidate jumping the queue, which we see far too often. Netas not leading by example, thinking that they're VIPs on the day that voters actually are deciding whether they're going to represent them or not. Unfortunate incident that's been reported. But you see how the voter also, unfortunately on his own, gives it back to the YSRCP MLA, which is when the MLA supporters all gang up on him and start assaulting him. Now, there are no details just yet of whether any action has been taken against this YSRCP MLA. This is an all-out scuffle that broke out outside the polling booth. It finally took officials' intervention to actually end this scuffle that broke out. But shocking high-handedness, really, from this YSRCP MLA Sivakumar in Tenali district of Andhra Pradesh, which is polling today one of their assembly constituencies. Let me bring in Apurva Jayachandran. She's joining us live from Visakhapatnam, from Vizag. Apurva, shocking video that's emerged of this YSRCP candidate slapping a voter on the day that this very voter will be deciding his fate. Has any action been taken, any case that's been booked over this incident?
Well, that's right, Akshata. In fact, a case has been booked against the YSRCP's Tenali candidate there, Sivakumar. In fact, what we are getting to learn is that this happened at the polling booth there when he had also gone there, not only to have a look at the polling booth, but he had also gone there to cast his vote. That's when he had tried to cut the line. That's what we're getting to hear from, sources there. And that is when this incident had taken place. One of the voters there had questioned him, following which this angered YSRCP's MLA Siva there, who had gone ahead and slapped the voter, following which the voter did not hold back and also slapped back the MLA candidate there as well, which further led to the candidate's supporters there going ahead in altercation, breaking out, them thrashing the voters there who were standing in a peaceful line awaiting to cast their votes since quite some time when Shiva attempted to cut the line. That's what we're getting to learn from sources there. This is what is the information that has come in. In fact, the Andhra Pradesh police have also taken cognizance of this incident there, and a case has been registered. An investigation is also going on. The YSRCP, which is the ruling party here, is still to put out any kind of statement there regarding this incident. Neither Siva or the YSRCP have in fact put out a statement there regarding this incident. Meanwhile, the TDP there has gone ahead and slammed the YSRCP, saying this is the kind of rule that the public need a break from. And in fact, the TDP there, Naral Lokesh, the senior leader there, he's also gone ahead and congratulated the voter who had also slapped the TDP.
So the YSRCP. Chandrababu Naidu has also come out now, posting on social media, condemning what's happened, condemning this incident of a YSRCP candidate slapping a voter outside a polling booth.